Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming Bluetooth is on and your phone is actively paired. This is essential. Once paired, make sure the Fitbit app has notification and background permissions on the phone so signals pass through reliably. Then, press the watch face, swipe to apps, and locate Find My Phone, tap it. You start the process from the Versa 4, pressing the tile triggers a ping. If you do this immediately, the watch sends a request and the phone should respond audibly or with vibration. Once the app command is sent, you tap the watch control to trigger the phone's alert. You should hear a loud ringtone or vibration even if the phone is in silent, because the Find My Phone request overrides common silent states. Move methodically. Check nearby pockets, couch cushions, and under papers while listening. If you still can't hear it, open the Fitbit app on your phone or Fitbit.com to view the phone's last known Bluetooth location, and retrace your steps to stop the alert. Press stop on the Versa 4. This immediately silences the phone. If Find My Phone fails repeatedly, make sure you repair the Versa, unpair from the Fitbit app, and pair again to refresh the Bluetooth link. Also restart both devices and update the Fitbit app and watch firmware. These steps fix most communication bugs. One key troubleshooting tip: if you can't ping the phone, check the phone's Bluetooth and battery saver settings that may block background connections, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.